Hi, Madden. Baby.
Like a girl.
The future NFL player.
Quarterback.
Are you gonna be quarterback? Nope. Yep. That means yeah.
Good boy.
You are so cute. Look at all your hair. He's pretty long. 6 pounds, 3 ounces.
18 inches.
18 inches?
Yeah.
Wow. For an early baby, you're big. Madden. Madden.
Could you please take that off? Facebook is so dumb because I just tease you.
Are you tired?
Unless you sent me an inbox. Yeah. Yes, I should have sent it to you in your inbox. Yeah, this is what she posted on my Facebook page. She makes them nervous.
But when I measured it, he's 32 and 5 centimeters on his head.
He's so cute. Did you get to show him yet?
That's lovely. That's wonderful.
And you know how frustrating it is when you go into breastfeed and you're like,
Baby.
Yeah, that's like, that was clear.
I was like, I
He is so cute.